everyone, I'm Lean and my friends, Jaxi, Anami, and Farhana. Welcome to Math Fantastic. So in this video, we're gonna learn how to multiply polynomials, a big math word for a really big concept in algebra. So guys, pay attention.
So hello guys, I want to give you an idea of how to be able to solve the multiplying polynomial by memorizing a special word. So first I will write an example of polynomial. So negative x squared plus 5, then negative x plus 5. So the special word I mean is the FOIL. FOIL. So FOIL, and this is also being called as FOIL technique. So why we're gonna use FOIL? What does FOIL represent? So guys, FOIL represent our placement on how we're going to multiply our certain terms. So the first one, F, represent as the first. So what that means is I'm going to multiply the first two terms of this given example. So this given example I mean. So I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little f in front or above my two first terms so you can easily understand what is the first term. So in this first binomial, this is the first term, f, the negative x squared, and this is the negative x. So if you look at the first binomial, if you read from left to right, you notice the negative x squared and negative x are the first term in each binomial, so that makes sense. So the second one is the outside. So in this example, the outside term is the negative x squared. If you combine this is the outside term, and the positive 5. So the next one is the inside. So the inside is the 5 and the negative x. And the last one is the last. So the last is, in this binomial, the last is the 5, and this is also 5. So we will write it first, the outside, inside, and last. So first we multiply the first term. So the negative x squared and negative x, if you multiply the first term, so if you multiply, you will add the exponent. So there's understood that there's one exponent here. So negative x squared times negative x, so negative x cubed. So outside, negative x squared times 5, so it is equals to negative 5x squared. So inside, 5 times negative x is equals to negative 5x, and for the last is positive 5 times positive 5, so it is equals to positive 25. So you notice that this is negative because when you multiply the positive sign and the negative sign, the result will be negative. So it is all overall equals to negative x cubed minus 5x squared minus 5x plus 25. So there's any of these some term that I can combine? What do you think? I think none. So I can't simplify any more further. And you also notice how it's descending order, right? So second order of exponent, that is what is the stat form or the statistic form. So that's for my own explanation. Also, I do research for this. So let's proceed for our the explanation of my friends. Thank you.
Hello, in this video we're gonna focus on the FOIL method techniques. Let's say if we wish to multiply a binomial such as x plus 2 and another 3x plus 5. Before that, FOIL stands for F stands for first, and O stands for outer, and I stands for inner, and L stands for last. So, these solutions look like this. So, first one here is x plus 2 has two terms. It's a binomial. And the other one has 3x plus 5. That's also a binomial. So, we use a FOIL method. So, the first here is x times 3x is the first FOIL. So, the solution is equals 3x squared. And the O is outer is x times 5 equals 5x. And the I is inner is this. This is the plus. So, use plus. So, 2 times 3x equals 6x. And the L, last one, is 2 times 5 plus equal sign is equals 2 times 5 equals 10. So, we copy this one. 3x squared. So, plus sign. 5x plus 6x equals 11x. Equal sign 10. So, that is the answer of FOIL technique that we have in solution.
Good day everyone! Our video tutorial for this day is all about multiplying polynomials. So what are the steps that required for multiplying polynomials? So first step is distribute each term of the first polynomial to every term of the second polynomial. So always remember that when we multiply two terms together, we must multiply the coefficient or the number and add the exponents. So the second step is combine like terms. So let's proceed to the first step. So distribute the first term to second term of polynomial. So 2x squared times 5x squared is equals to 10x raised to the fourth power. Why is it 10x raised to the fourth power? Is it because we multiply the coefficient 2 times 5 is equals to 10. Then we add exponent 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Then next is 2x squared times negative 7x is equals to negative 14x cubed. Why 14x cubed? We multiply the coefficient 2 times 7 is equals to 14. Then the exponent 2 and an imaginary exponent here which is 1. So we have 3. Then next is 2x squared times positive 4 is equals to positive 8x squared. So our product here is 10x raised to the fourth power minus 14x cubed plus 8x squared. So the second step is combine like terms. So we don't have like terms here. So this must be our final product. So let's proceed to our second example. We have 5y squared minus 2y plus 3 multiplied by 3y minus 4. So this must be our multiplicand and this must be our multiplier. So distribute each term of the first polynomial to the second term of polynomial. So let's have 3y times 5y squared minus 2y plus 3 minus 4 times 5y squared minus 2y plus 3. So let's distribute it. So 3y times 5y squared is equals to 15y cubed. Next, 3y times negative 2y is equals to negative 6y squared. Next is 3y plus 3 is equals to 9y. So, negative 4 times 5y squared is equals to negative 20y squared. Negative 4 times negative 2y is equals to positive 8y. Then negative 4 times positive 3 is equals to negative 12. So let's have our second step, which is the combined like terms. So 15y cubed. So we have like term here, the 6y squared and the 20y squared. So negative 6y squared minus 20y squared is equals to negative 26y squared. Then, same like term pa rin. So we have 9y and 8y. We have positive 17y. And lastly, so negative 12. So, ito yung magiging final product natin. So, 15y cubed minus 26y squared plus 17y minus 12.